Calmness project was a project that was set up to create artwork for the new Child and Adolescent Mental Health Service and the BSO service. It engaged with around 80 different children and young people from different projects in the community and local schools. And together they've created around 50 pieces of art which will be hung in the new building and will hopefully make children and young people who are visiting for appointments feel calmer, feel happier, feel more welcome and feel inspired that they're surrounded by art that is created by their peers.
Well, I was kind of working with a therapist at the time under CAMS, and I was having a bit of trouble sort of like doing things, if that makes sense, so she suggested that I work with Alex and kind of join in the Hype project, and I went along to a workshop in August.
Underlining it was the idea that young people were empowered to make their own decisions about their work.
It was really nice to do some abstract art because it didn't have, you couldn't really do it wrong. So everyone's artwork turned out amazing.
Just getting in a room with like-minded people who I know might have been through some stuff, who just understand, and everyone just seems so lovely and understanding, and just getting to do art with them and stuff, it's really nice.
The aim of the project was to get young people that actually had experience of the Child and Adolescent Mental Health Service to create the art around how they perceive what calmness is. Some young people think, I can't do art, it's not for me, but everyone can do art, and everyone from this project did do some art.
Knowing that I was able to do that and able to get some work up on the walls and stuff, it actually inspired me to go on and do an art course of my own.
Having artwork in therapy rooms and waiting rooms just makes you feel a little bit more settled down when you feel really anxious about what you're about to do.
I think what's fantastic about this work is that the NHS could have just gone and bought a load of prints from IKEA to put in the new building. But what this has done, this has involved over 80 young people making their own original work, because this work doesn't exist anywhere else in the world.